half an hour more or hour more, them call back and tell me say, um, remember we had told you that the baby is very sick and our, you know what I say, our lungs.
We don't know how we and them a go work it out. Boy, we don't know how we and them a go work it out. But someone will have to pay for the innocent blood that they shed every day. Oh, children, mark my
Living on the edge, out of control, and the world just won't let me slow down. But in my biggest picture was a photo of you and me. Girl, you know I tried. I work hard to provide all the material things that I thought would make you happy.
For that, brother. Yeah. So, for me, that's, you know, guys, we go down from last night. Alright, from last night, them call me and tell me that the baby never did that no good. You know? Yeah, them been telling me this from the baby just born. Say she's very sick. Yeah, that's it. Them call her and tell me say she's very sick. Them been always telling me that from she born. You see, so I don't know. And them call her and tell me say she's very sick and if we can come now. And what time them call we? In Jamaica, it's curfew time. The Prime Minister set the curfew at 9 o'clock, and them call about 8 o'clock, so we couldn't get for reach. So we did it, and them show my baby mother they did it. I talk to them when them call. I gonna meet them they call at first. And my baby mother talk to them. And them tell her say she's very sick and this and that. That's what them used to tell me. So them hang up because my baby mother did tell them say I soon come, so she tell them to call back. So about half an hour more or hour more them call back and tell me say um remember we had told you that the baby is very sick and our, you know what I say, our lungs collapse. You see me, like them I say our lungs I try to shut off, so them I try to do something to help it. So them say it never come true, so our heart just stop. And the nurse tell me say them I try make she breathe, give her oxygen. That alone she did one what them did tell me, and two, three more problem. And the nurse said she did want oxygen, then them a give her, and her heart just lock off. So Yes, guys, so them tell you that now we go so and go in. They there for the whole night afraid couldn't sleep and thing, you know? I know we're strong and thing, so them tell you that and we go in this morning and this is what them said. This is what the woman said to me.
Morning, guys. Morning.
Fine.
Alright, so I know somebody had called you, one of the doctors had called you last night or something. I'm not sure what they had said to you. Yeah, what did they tell you?
They told me that the baby has passed away. She is very sick.
Tell that the baby is very sick. Okay. Yeah, so the baby, remember from the other day we were telling you that the baby was not doing well. So when you came yesterday, some things had improved as I showed you because the baby wasn't breathing at, the saturation wasn't 35 anymore, it had gone up to 80 after we placed the baby on a special type of medication to help to open up the lungs so that the baby can breathe better. But even with our best efforts, even with all the different medications, the different measures, the things we put the baby on to help the baby to breathe and so forth, the baby didn't make it. So last night, it was around, well, it was in the evening, the baby started to have the low saturations again. We resuscitated the baby, meaning we give the baby chest compressions, give the baby breaths, medication, fluids and so forth to help the baby to come breathe again. Came around, was breathing, but it was faint. And then the baby's heart stopped altogether. So we did everything that we could, but we were not able to resuscitate the baby the second time around.
Yeah, and when she said that now, we sit down and she asked if we would like to see the baby and we tell her yeah. And things. But certain things them when we go see, I know I go talk my behalf for the thing now. Because me and I idiot, you see. Because what them been telling me, you see smaller baby up there and with the same sickness as we. And me not hear them tell, and I really say we not hear them tell them whether they that thing. Because you know who no want no baby at all to get hurt. But it's like two of them attack with my baby. It's like I just death alone sure, you know? You see, them tell me 50-50%, but two of them attack to me it's like I just death alone sure. Say the baby is very ill and this and that. But when the baby just born, she weigh 30, not 30, sorry about that. She weigh 3 pounds, 3.5 pounds. And she born 35 weeks, premature. Not far down, 35 weeks premature. That is still premature. But she born with that problem there and she born with, them say she did have one infection. First them did explain to me, one of the doctors them first explained to me, say, it's an infection the baby have. You see it? So I say, wait. She never explained to me, say it's a pneumonia the baby have, you know. She explained to me, say it's an infection the baby have. So I wonder if the doctor them really know what them are doing. So, no, she explained to me, say it's an infection the baby have. So I say, wait, what kind of infection that? So, I never really know nothing about them things, so I never really question her about the infection, you see me? So, that is the problem with them telling me she have the premature and the infection as first. So, you understand? Them never tell me about no lungs, nothing. So, we go and come back now the next day, the next nurse explained to me, she tell me, say, them always ask this, cause there be a different doctor look about the baby, you know. Them just come, see something, try something new, and just so them do it. And through that now them ask you what the previous doctor has tell you about the baby. Why them have to ask you that? What the previous doctor has asked you about the baby. You're supposed to have that written down. It's supposed to depend on the yeah, you supposed to tell me what happened to the baby. Me not supposed to tell you what the doctor tell me. You understand? So that me see as that no make no sense. And she asked me that and I tell her say the doctor said the baby have an infection and you know the she born premature. So she said, alright then my battery go dead in a guy say if it cut off, you know me go continue down at my yard. So she said, alright then the baby has a pneumonia. No, the next doctor this tell me, you know, say the baby has a pneumonia. She never tell me infection, you know. So I say, oh, the next doctor tell me say infection. She say, yes, it is an infection, same way. So I say the next doctor never tell me a pneumonia like how you explain. She say, oh, so then she cut off of that. That is a problem, you know, but she cut off of that and she they tell me say tomorrow we will come to the next update because them have a work on the baby this and that. You understand? So them start put her on 2 medication at first. You know, then they put one chip in her hand and them have one hose hang down her mouth. So hang it down as a little baby so. And that they on her mouth right till she dead. Them get for on the lungs part. Them say them are going to change her blood, yeah, blood transfusion. Because she have something in her lungs or shift the air over the side. So them change her blood one time, one blood transfusion and you know, them say if we come back tomorrow for the results, and we come back tomorrow them say everything alright with her liver and everything. And just the lungs. So them bore one hole in her look big.